I'm in the most beautiful place I've ever visited in my whole life. And the greatest thing is, this place, I'm trying to show you, but not too much so that you don't know where I am. But it is in Kazakhstan. And it's just about an hour away from where I live. So it's amazing when such beauty is just an hour away. You can hear an echo of people talking to each other. I hope you don't hear them and you don't understand them. I hope you can hear all the birds. There's so many birds and insects making sounds. It's amazing. I haven't been on vacation for a while. Well, I had breaks, but I didn't go anywhere, and not just last year. In the past few years, when my chronic illness began to worsen, I was afraid of going anywhere because I would be in pain all the time, and my flares would worsen with stress. So I was really afraid of going anywhere. But now I finally left my dwelling to go somewhere apart from that little nature spot that I always share with you guys. And I'm really happy to be here, even though I can feel the flare coming. I can feel the pain building up, but you know, that's okay. It's worth it. It's really not worth traveling long distance, for me at least, because last time I traveled long distance, it was 2/3 of the trip I was in pain and couldn't really do much of anything, so that's a waste of time and resources, so I'm not doing that again. But here, it's pretty close, so it's not that much of a stress to my system, so I can enjoy myself. So the people were too loud for my liking, so I had to stop filming. Even though they kept beginning to speak as soon as I turned the camera on, but I think they're gone now. And now I see some kind of bird of prey in the air. I'm gonna get distracted. Being a special snowflake as I am, I get very easily distracted and I get overwhelmed very easily. And that's not fun. And I don't think I have ADHD. And I've never been diagnosed, so. But why am I filming on my first vacation in a few years? Well, because I'm a special snowflake, that's why. And I just cannot rest without getting some kind of a material thing out of it. I think I already shared on my trips before. I used to always try and get something tangible to remember my trip. And now I'm trying to make videos, and that is another form of something tangible. Will I ever just stop and enjoy my surroundings? I sure hope so. I hope that one day I will be able to rest without forcing myself to get anything. But that would mean I have cleared myself from the capitalist propaganda. So if you also love getting something material out of your experiences, maybe consider not doing that. Maybe consider just staring at this bird of prey. It is so amazingly huge. Oh my goodness, and it's so scary. Um, I'm gonna start crying because I saw a bird. Well, if I can't film the bird, I think I'll remember it forever.